Kevin Cyr's Camper Tricycle is one of the most unique and fascinating inventions ever built. Imagine a small, self-contained camper mounted on a sturdy three-wheeled bicycle, allowing one person to travel, sleep, and live on the go. It's a fusion of mobility and minimalism, a concept that challenges the way we think about transportation and shelter. This is not just a tricycle. It's a mobile home, a piece of art, and a statement about independence and self-sufficiency. Kevin Cyr, a visionary artist and designer, is known for his work that explores themes of travel, home, and mobility. His Camper Tricycle is a prime example of this. Inspired by his passion for urban landscapes, abandoned vehicles, and self-reliant structures, he crafted a fully functional micro-home on wheels. This tricycle isn't about speed or convenience. It's about an experience, a journey where the road itself becomes home. Picture this. You're riding through the city, turning heads at every corner. People stop, stare, and even take pictures. It's not every day you see a camper attached to a tricycle. It's compact yet fully functional, a single-person shelter on wheels. Inside, there's enough room to sleep, store essentials, and even have a small workspace. It's designed for the traveler who values freedom over luxury, someone who wants to explore without the constraints of a traditional home. What makes this tricycle camper so special is the way it connects to a larger conversation about housing, sustainability, and personal freedom. In a world where people are looking for alternatives to high-rent mortgage payments and a sedentary lifestyle, this invention stands out. It's an exploration of the tiny home movement, but taken to the extreme. Why stay in one place when you can take your home with you, powered by nothing but your own legs? The craftsmanship of the Camper Tricycle is incredible. The exterior has a rugged yet charming look, built to withstand urban environments. The structure is compact but well designed, making the most out of the limited space. The interior is surprisingly cozy, proving that you don't need a mansion to have a comfortable living space. It's all about efficiency. Every inch of space is used wisely. There's storage for food, clothes, and supply. There's a sleeping area that folds up when not in use. Even the lighting and ventilation are designed to maximize comfort without relying on electricity or modern conveniences. This project raises an interesting question. What if more people lived like this? What if cities had designated areas for mobile tiny homes, allowing people to park and live affordably? It may sound radical, but with rising costs of living and housing shortages, ideas like this could be the future. The Camper Tricycle isn't just a personal project, it's a glimpse into a different way of life. Imagine taking a road trip in this tricycle. No need for hotels, no need for expensive gas, just the open road and the freedom to stop wherever you want. Parks, beaches, countryside roads, all of them become potential homes for the night. And the best part? It's completely eco-friendly. No fuel emissions, no pollution, just good old-fashioned pedal power. Kevin Cyr's work isn't just about creating functional vehicles, it's about storytelling. His projects, including the Camper Tricycle, invite us to rethink what we consider normal. It makes us question our own relationship with space, home, and movement. Would you be able to live in something this small? Could you trade modern comforts for complete freedom? The reactions to this Camper Tricycle are fascinating. Some people see it as genius, a symbol of innovation and resilience. Others find it impractical, questioning how realistic it is to live in such a tiny space. But that's what makes it so powerful. It sparks conversation. It forces us to think differently about shelter, travel, and sustainability. This isn't just a bike. It's not just a home. It's an idea, an experiment in mobility and independence. And whether or not you'd ever live in one, you have to admit, it's one of the most creative and thought-provoking inventions out there. So, what do you think? Could you see yourself traveling the world in a camper tricycle, powered only by your legs and your sense of adventure?